the KUPPET National Executive Board takes great exception to emerging salary disparities between teachers and civil servants. Several years ago, under the Grand Coalition government, teachers fought for the harmonization of salaries across the two cadres and attained fairness in public sector remuneration. Regrettably, the disparities are back again, with the Public Service Commission awarding disproportionately higher benefits to its employees compared to the package offered by the Teacher Service Commission. It is shameful that after having two consultative meetings with the Minister for Health, the CEO of the SHA itself, we still have to grapple with basics. So 3 months later, teachers continue to report the very problems the community sought to address, including the denial or delay of essential diagnosis tests due to pre-authorization, bottlenecks, system outages, or facility level rationing. Indeed, teachers are still being asked to pay out of their pocket for diagnostics and care that should be covered under the SHA benefit package.